Hello, and welcome back to Modern World Dynamics, the channel dedicated to bringing peace and positivity to your modern world. Today, we have something special planned just for you. If you or someone you know struggles with panic attacks, you're in the right place. We'll be guiding you through a comforting panic attack, talk down, filled with reassurance and affirmations to help you find calm in the midst of distress. In this video, we'll explore techniques to ease the overwhelming feelings that come with panic attacks. Remember, you're not alone, and there are ways to find solace even in the most challenging moments. We'll start by focusing on your breathing. Breathe in slowly through your nose, feeling your lungs expand, and then exhale gently through your mouth. Let the rhythm of your breaths bring you back to the present moment, grounding you in the here and now. As we continue, we'll introduce affirmations, positive statements designed to empower and reassure you. You are strong, you are capable, and you are resilient. Repeat these affirmations after me and let their comforting words envelop you in a warm embrace. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable and visualize yourself in a safe space. Imagine this place as vividly as you can, focusing on the sensory details, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle rustle of leaves, the soothing sounds of nature all around you. Remember, it's okay to reach out for support. Talk to someone you trust, whether it's a friend, family member, or mental health professional. You don't have to face this alone, and seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Thank you for joining us today on Modern World Dynamics. We hope this video has provided you with the reassurance and comfort you deserve. Remember, you have the strength within you to overcome any challenge. Please like, share, and subscribe for more calming content. Until next time, take care and stay peaceful.